Go for B.
Autocorrect.
What's it B? What's
He'd
it
hate
B, guys?
playing this fucking game then with chat. All the great spelling, all the grammar.
I'm disappointed. It's still doing it.
Someone ready to spawn for that boat now?
First the AA is the question.
It'll be coming up soon.
Oh, can't get up. Fuck this chopper, god damn it. The E chopper. Fucking full strength.
Frag him, Dixie, he's in the trench.
You get him. Go for it.
Another one under us, two under us, they're waiting for the AA.
I'm waiting for the AA.
Alright.
No AA for you.
No AA for you.
There's still two there, yeah?
At E.
B.
I think he's clear.
This is where the AA spawns.
Well, capped out already.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm setting up camp on that island.
Their
Carrier.
rollout was less than average.
This is a brutal squad, a brutal team.
Yeah.
I'm solo. Apparently.
Flying solo.
I don't know why, but that's apparently how I roll these days.
Do we want the chopper?
Hey Mick, can you get shit
Yeah.
at cost price for your business?
Yeah, man. Wholesale price.
Chopper leaving the carrier account.
So does that mean they're
We got a Stinger jet ski where
possibly
we're
order some parts
chasing.
of it?
Yeah, man. Tell me what you want. I'll see what I can come up with. I get some.
Yeah.
I've gotten a few FPS guys with
You're gonna get
stuff
some
ready.
radicals
So.
there.
I'm just going to
But
shoot
nice.
barrels or something because there's absolutely nothing
I
to
was
do.
going to get Legacy some stuff, but
Oh my god, they're all getting
he didn't get back to me on. I think he said he wanted some stuff donated,
On the island with your lightning,
maybe,
heaps of.
graphics card.
but yeah. Can you
Behind
donate
you as
to
well,
980 fucking $2?
Yeah.
Fuck, you gotta be quick with these jet skis. Oh, there's a scout.
I don't know where to go.
Yeah, I haven't seen an enemy yet.
No,
Where the fuck we go, man? Where are they all?
I'm just humping this cardboard box.
Just
There's nothing
drop.
else to do.
Just fucking drive down.
Right, I'm knifing a boat back in the
Here we
water.
go.
Oh, there's two on this island. Fuck off, Cap, leave it!
B.
I really think the AC-130 should do laps of the ship when they're capped out.
They would just finish up really quickly. Put them out.
Yeah.
We got guys to B.
What?
Yeah,
Well, I've
there's
done
one
that.
guy.
Can't have that as soon as it starts.
No, there's two.
Oh,
Hip
it's two.
side.
Yeah, they're both in the building of the AA
Oh
side.
yeah, absolutely. Oop, I got hit rego on them. Try not to take the building down while I'm in it, please. Fucking hell!
Too late for that.
Really, I'm serious. Don't think of that one here.
Oh, I'm RPGing the shit out of that building.
I know.
Now it's on a fucking
went-
10
I-
streak already. You're in the Frogford, aren't you, Count?
No, he keeps stealing my fucking kills.
Oh no, don't kill us. Miss.
I see.
Miss. Yes. Thank you, Dice. I know there's more. Yes, thank you, Dice.
They keep trying to take this island. It's got no flags on
gonna
it. It's
fucking overload,
amazing what
man.
happens when you sit on this island. They can't help themselves. They just keep attacking it, jet skis, boats. I can't have a flag, but I'll try and take out an island that just doesn't do anything for me.
No team benefit whatsoever.
No, they just get angry that I've killed them with R 3 times and tried to get on the
Oh yeah, it's all about the ego.
Oh, that attack boat's chasing us. Fuck.
I can't believe how much
That is that.
in 3 seconds.
jet ski. A jet ski's got past the island.
Oh shit.
No, it's down.
Stinger jet ski away.
This poor fucking team.
Oh, look at him.
It's like 2 people have died. What the fuck?
I haven't even got a kill yet.
Oh my god.
Are you all on the same thing?
Yeah.
It's
998 to 713.
We're gonna need to drop this ammo and shit on the fucking little island.
ammo, do you lightning?
No, I got it. They
Oh,
fucking
you know,
fucking
it's the
great.
same. Press the play.
Oh, no.
This guy, look how far he's going out just to get
Oh
there.
yeah, points next
He
night.
won't get far. Yeah, far he's
Kind of
going
sucks
out
now. I got this
just to
fucking friendly AEA up here now. Can't kill my shit now.
Fuck off, Phil.
Might have
Jump
to
right
get in front of his bullets.
Little
Oh,
man's trying
true.
something here.
He's just sitting way back. I can't reach him because his chopper is good.
Quick game, this one.
Oh, yeah. You guys know. Just kill that
He's way too far up.
guy's not
I got the straw. I'm gonna snipe someone. Oh no,
Oh,
it's dead. I seen a boat like in the horizon of the island.
This guy's swimming.
Will we have a jet ski going to A? Look out! Look out!
This guy,
Mate
this
there,
AEA,
so-
he's fucking useless. He's failing to get boats down.
Bad time to join. Jesus. Can't have that. Fuck, turn around.
Oh, is there a spot I can get in?
I just didn't kill the guy.
This is what kills servers, actually.
I didn't
Like, this
even
was
know
what
you
I
could kill.
empty out a team.
Hey, Count, can I join your
I
squad?
just
Yeah,
got a
just
fucking
whisper.
10 people in lined up ready to get in.
Cheers,
You
man.
ain't gonna kill shit.
You mate, 2 spots.
I'll make a new squad.
Yeah.
People in Russia.
Oh, I apparently
Yeah,
enjoyed
new
the
squad
squad.
with me and Monkey.
Oh,
James.
Count's got heaps of room.
Just-
He's got big
Alright,
chicken
which-
on the
I
turret
can't-
door.
No one has still died. No one has fucking died.
Oh, I've died once.
Monkey, come on, mate.
I
That's what I
even,
kill.
Oh, I tried to
I've
ram
joined
my
on
boat in the
lightning.
Vic. I fucking killed myself.
I even
Parachuter
killed one of
above
our teammates. It still didn't count.
I was literally that bored.
I know. I haven't done anything. I'm just like cruising around on the island, just doing nothing.
Look at all the bullets going into this sport carrier.
Oh, there he goes. Spawning right off the carrier.
Is that the then guy? Is he the
Oh my
AA
god.
guy?
I mean, where's
Yeah,
the
he-
front foot, Mike? Where's the fucking...
Oh, is the AA dead?
No,
Ah, I got excited.
Oh,
I was gonna kill myself.
oh, I need ammo now. Back on my little island.
They're gonna lose the ticket. Shit.
Shit. Hang on,
Oh,
I'll come give
can't
you
have
ammo.
that.
We've lost 3 tickets.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I've
Wow.
never ever seen this. I've never fucking seen this.
Hope someone's recording it.
yeah.
Yeah, fair
Might
call.
report it.
Cheers, Jimmy.
Oh, we lost the flag.
Anytime.
I know.
Look at these poor bastards.
The fuck?
Not near me.
Spawning here though.
No, I don't blame them. They don't
Pick
know
us
the
up.
fucking ticket they pay. They don't-
Nah, there's a few on there. We can't cap it.
Oh, you guys are full.
No.
Use your mini
Where are
map.
ya? Where are ya?
Shit, we might even fucking beat the storm.
Hmm. When does that come?
Heavier
40
blade.
minutes?
The blade's just not good enough. That's not me.
The AA is sitting out.
Next to a guy by the shop.
Yeah.
Down this way. They're gonna go down there. He's
There's a Stinger jet ski near the
Aye.
useless island.
Where am I? This is a fucking...
Transport
Right.
up.
I'll throw some
And a
s'mores
jet.
in the air. We got on the
Still an
on
ace.
his way to sea. I think someone sniped him out.
Yeah,
He's
near the
got sniped
chopper
out.
spawn. Thanks.
Look at them all.
I just got like 900 points for killing that boat.
Really?
Yeah.
There's like 3 guys on east.
These poor bastards.
Let's sort it out. This is just rude. They've got 6 tickets. It's not acceptable.
Can't have that.
Fuck no.
Pull your finger out, guys. It's not good enough.
Oh, by the time I shoot a rocket, whatever I'm shooting at dies before it travels to its destination. Oh, hang on. Oh, I got Red Joe on him.
Look at all the fucking rounds going on that boat.
I can't heal you because I haven't got a fucking repair tool.
Here, come on your left side, man. I'm getting bored here.
Where are you?
I'm on the left
Oh,
side
C's
of the
going
boat.
down. C's going down.
See.
Here we go, here we go.
I think it's
What?
Shit.
Where we go? See?
C's going down.
Above us, above us.
I see it.
There, actually,
I
right
see.
there. Monkey.
Waste
What did he
waste
what's
one.
up?
Here comes the storm.
I don't have a chance of actually getting through now.
Yeah. Even the team cat. Why is everyone fucking spectated on? Not a fucking admin. That's the reason why I don't want to do that, because fucking people every 5 minutes. Yeah.
And it's like addressing you by hey cunt, it's really
Yeah.
gonna fucking help our cause
Yeah,
too, isn't
exactly.
I can't believe they can't kill anyone. I've never ever seen
Yeah.
anything like
it?
this.
Frag round this island here, guys. There's heaps of guys around us.
I thought it hit us with a
And
rocket.
in a
Oh, a
row.
little bit almost.
I can't even.
In a row.
I no scope for this.
Oh, can't move. Wow.
Revving down, revving
I
down.
want to be the first ones to die.
It's almost, yeah.
Let's
Right.
get
Roof
those
is
3 kills.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe it.
Wow, it is screenshot. Dandy vaginas.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Oh,
You got me too.
Yeah. We did occupy like every fucking asset.
He's down. Building got him.
Oh, look at old mate. 1 and 18.
You must be still running with J7.
He's
Yeah.
gonna have about
Yeah.
minus 5,000 skill.
To our right, Nick. To our right.
Oh, I've got the TV going. Hang on.
What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a jet ski.
Behind you.
Yeah.
Jet ski on A, guys. Oh,
He wasn't
Fucking
making it
waves,
to land. Ooh.
God, no.
Oh, B's down.
Why the fuck is it the C? Why is it tuneless?
Go the BA. Just build a
That's
big
a good
big
back.
U-banger.
Heaps of boats out of the carrier.
4-point turn in your boat.
What is that?
That was
That's
what
the boat.
hitting us the boat
Yeah,
under the
yeah,
carrier.
On
Jet's
this
up.
island in front too.
If he's
That's
smart, he'll bail.
Dead.
Oh, yeah.
He's disabled. I didn't see him get out though.
I didn't get killed, so...
there's heaps on this island next to us, Lex.
Oh, through the wave. That's awesome.
Boats up, boats up.
Had some shots.
Jet ski in front.
No time. It's ripped. Is that the CAA bugged out or something?
Think I can TV this chopper.
One.
Look at the fucking rappers on this thing, this transport. It's gonna be a juicy kill, whoever gets that.
Yeah, one kill.
Oh.
No battle, whatever.
Behind us. Oh, that's that bloody boat at sea.
But it's up.
He on the right or left? It's
Oh,
on the right,
yeah.
left. That's right.
Yeah, you got one.
Trying to give you-
There's no point.
Yeah.
Trying to give you some kill each.
Somebody could
I don't really want to be visible in that carrier. It's
Someone
so
water,
fun to kill someone.
Yeah.
Fucking, you get back in the rib, just blow it up.
Here you guys, let's go farm some kills.
A few coming out now.
Fucking rib boats
Yeah.
shit. It's so slow.
Yeah. Hey, if I was one of them, I'd be up there with fucking javelins or anything.
On the carrier, sniper rifle.
Yeah. Sniper rifle.
Well, you at least spawn at E or A now.
Yeah.
Two players.
Oh, here we go. One right to your left, guys. Go right there. Who wants him? Get him?
He wanted it right in the face.
Take jet.
Another guy over
Fuck,
here,
you can't take too many more of these.
right in front of me, guys. On the beach. Going up the ladder. There you go. Too late. Too late.
Grab the chopper.
count. 37.
Oh, guys, that means.
Oh. No, isn't it that many?
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh man, 19 tickets lost.
Here's lots of laugh. I think someone had me.
Fucking.
Yeah, you can feel the fucking agony.
Oh. But look at that team.
one
Their
for
best players
23.
level 57. Look at the
One at
stacking.
23, yeah.
1 for 23 though, that's a fucking hard round.
Yeah.
0 for 20.
0 for 20.
Yeah, so then actually got a kill.
0 for 13. Poor old Roo Rider. Fuck.
Welcome to Battlefield 4.
Yeah.
Oh, mass suicide on the news tomorrow.
Yeah.